monstera, beautiful monstera plant which we keep indoors mainly, but I'm really sad and heartbroken since these leaves of the plant are slowly turning yellow, as you can see. See these sides. So today I'm going to tell you why it is happening and how to save the beautiful monstera plant. So now, as you can see, the roots are really healthy, but the leaves are not. The main reason I found is the drainage. There's only one hole in this. I took this pot because it's beautiful, but there's only one drainage hole. So now we'll fix the problem, and there were lots of ants in the soil. See, that was the reason why this plant was almost dying. So let's save it now. So for your understanding, you should know when the leaves are turning yellow or brown that they are either underwatering or you have not watered it enough. Sometimes you will have to save it for this plant from rains, and also when you select a pot, see that it has good drainage holes. So now I selected this pot, and the soil mix also should be so dry, not soggy. So now I'm going to plant this again, like this in the pot. I have given it garden soil, little bit of compost and river sand. I'm hoping to do another video update for y'all. So stay tuned with me for more videos from Tamara's garden.